Picking the right topic on YouTube can be a game changer. Imagine two videos, both with 300K views. One made $1,800, the other made $6,000. That's a huge difference. Why? It's all about the topic. Even though both videos had the same number of views, one had a topic that made more money. As a YouTuber, you might feel unfair. You worked equally hard, got the same number of views, but someone else made much more money. This shows how important it is to choose the right topic for your YouTube videos. However, this isn't the only factor to consider when selecting a niche. Whether you create your own videos or use AI, you need to commit to the game for the long haul if you want to make big money. Now, let me reveal some powerful steps that will help you discover your perfect YouTube niche. Start by listing down topics that interest you. I always make sure to choose a niche that aligns with my passions. For instance, I would never go for niches like relationships, crime, or health. Instead, I focus on areas like tech, programming languages, or making money online. Once I've decided on a broad niche, I'll write down 3 sub-niches within that category. Sometimes I mix these topics. It's a great way to keep my content fresh and interesting, especially when I'm feeling stuck. Now consider the long-term potential of your niche. Can you consistently produce fresh, engaging content over time? Some niches may have limited content ideas, while others offer endless possibilities. By demand, I don't mean just following trends, as trends come and go. Instead, look at whether there are active YouTubers creating content in this niche. Pay attention to the number of likes and views their videos are getting. This will give you valuable insight into the niche's popularity and potential for growth. Channels focused on very specific or rare hobbies like collecting rare stamps or obscure crafts may have a limited audience. Channels focusing solely on a specific location or city might struggle to grow outside that region. Content focused exclusively on a single individual or microbrand, such as a very specific brand of fashion, may have limited growth potential beyond that niche. When choosing a YouTube niche, one of the key factors to consider is its potential for monetization. For me, I want my niche to have the ability to sell affiliate products. This means I need a niche that aligns with commercial products, whether it's tech, beauty, fitness, or lifestyle, products that viewers are likely to purchase through affiliate links. Additionally, it's crucial that the niche resonates with a large female audience. Women are a significant force on YouTube, and creating content that appeals to them opens up more opportunities for engagement and sales. This could involve topics that relate to their interests. When you start creating YouTube videos, you might find yourself stuck. I remember staring at my screen for an entire hour, unsure of what to say or what video to make next. While writing comes easily to me, YouTube felt a bit more challenging at first. To overcome this, I recommend writing down at least 10 video topics. That's more than enough to get started. A simple trick is to use the YouTube search bar. Type in keywords related to your niche and see what pops up. You'll find plenty of ideas based on what people are already searching for. The key is that it doesn't matter if you're covering the same topic as others, as long as you're presenting it in a unique format or perspective. Sometimes, it's the slight changes or a fresh approach that makes your content stand out. The secret is being consistent and creative with how you deliver the information. With just 10 solid topics, you'll be on your way to creating content that resonates with your audience. Now it's time to create your first video and test if this niche works for you. Why do I say this? Well, I made around 20 programming-related videos, and after 4 years, I ended up deleting them. The quality was poor, and, more importantly, I didn't enjoy making them. It's only through actually creating videos that you'll know if you enjoy the process. Whether you're using AI or making the videos yourself, passion for the work is essential if you want to succeed long-term. If you don't enjoy the content creation process, it will be hard to stay motivated and put in the effort needed to grow your channel. The first video is your test. It will reveal if you feel excited and motivated to continue. You might find that the niche isn't as enjoyable as you thought, or you may discover a new passion. Either way, getting started is the only way to find out if this is something you truly want to pursue for the long haul and make money from. YouTube is a long-term journey. Patience and consistent effort are the keys to success. Keep creating and keep uploading.